Hello everyone. Today I have a local dollar store haul. So I went last week and I was scanning through the dollar store and I didn't show y'all exactly what I brought. So these are the things that I picked up. I'm gonna start right now. I got the Soft Daisy Feel the Difference 4 rows bathroom tissue. Now y'all, this tissue is pretty cheap feeling, but sometimes it's good to pick up these little things like this, a little tissue just to fill in, and that's what I call myself doing, is filling in, because I have some tissue. Listen y'all, you better get ready for the winter and start stocking up again on tissue and everything that you need, because things are pretty bad right now with the virus. So, you see little stuff and, stock up. Oh, and this was $1.29. Hope y'all can see it. Or should I put it this way? It was $1.29. Next item I have is the 4 Clasp Envelopes. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm always looking for these when I have to mail off something, and a lot of times I don't have this, so I was glad to find it. You get, of course, 4 in here, and it's $1.19. I got a black shower curtain liner. These don't last that long, this brand anyway, but I picked it up. I like the ones, the ones you pay a bit more for, but they hold up better. This don't last long, but it will get you through. And it was only $1.99. Y'all might have seen me pick this up, the Suavitel Rose. So this is in a different language, but it smells so good. I used some already. I always pick up that yellow one and that blue one, but I think this one smells better. And this was $2.49. That's not bad either. I have the Lucky Super Soft Revive Body Wash, Mango and Papaya. I used to always buy this, y'all. Used to always find it. I think you might be able to find it in Dollar Tree. And it's $1.49. I forget whether this is good or not, but I just picked some up to add to my stockpile. Like, I still got a lot left, but I'm building up again. I got me the Q-Tex Care hand sanitizer. 75% alcohol kills 99% of germs with glycerin for soft hands. And you see, it was 99 cents. I got these hose clamps, for your washing machine or whatever. And I used one, it was kind of a fail. It was like too soft. But I'm gonna use the other ones. I'm gonna put the other ones to good use and see how I like it. But it was a smaller one and I took it out and I wasn't pleased with it. This was $1.49. This is something that I buy all the time. It's the Trisonic And it has 3 in it, soft white light bulbs. And this was $1.99. I used to get it for less than that, but that's still a decent deal for that. And it says, if you want a genuine friend, first you must create a positive atmosphere around you. Huh? Okay. All right. Again, stock up on these if you can. Oh, I shouldn't be laughing. But that was a little bit nutty. So I got AIM toothpaste, and it was $1.29. You know, y'all, when I look in this camera, things are backwards. So that's why people always ask, why you keep looking at the product and stuff like that. Why not? Why not, y'all? $1.29. I got some Pepsodent. I got 4 of them because, y'all, I was about to run out. And I said, I'm not going to be running back and forth to the store for this little stuff like this. So I got 1, I got 2, 3, and 4. They were $1.29. Great buy. I know some stores you can get it for $1. But you know what? Honestly, I don't want to say the store, but a lot of times, in my area anyway, I see other people have nice different things, but that store in my area have a lot of the same stuff all the time, and I like to switch up. This is something, the next item that I had to get. I thought I had enough. It was time for me to hem something and take something in, and it's the Allure Craft and Sew Instant Threading Hand Needles. I got 2 of them. When I go back, I'm going to get some more. There wasn't a price on this. So it means that these are $1 each. It comes with 10 needles each. So I'm going to get some more and put in my little can with the, the straight pins. I need to get the straight pins. I have a sewing machine, and I have had it since I was 16. I got it on my 16th birthday, and it worked well up into maybe 4 years ago. I didn't get it repaired. I'm going to get it repaired, and then I might get another lighter weight one because, y'all, I've been ordering clothes and, not a whole lot, but little dresses here and there. I have had to take them in because I go to the tailor once in a while, and it's very expensive. When I had my sewing machine as a teen, I couldn't sew. I really couldn't, but it's something that I always wanted to do. And actually, it's less expensive just buying your clothes, but I want to get back into it. At least I can take my things in. Sorry for the long conversation, but so the next item, it's the tie that I get from a different country, and it's 99 cents. And of course, I don't know what it's saying in the back and all that kind of stuff. But what I'm going to say is, I love Tide. Tide is expensive, and sometimes you need some to keep on hand for when you run out. You might run out of your expensive stuff. This doesn't smell like the regular Tide, but it cleans very well. And it has a decent smell to it. So if you see these, get them. They have some in a real big package. They even have some, the gray big old bag for $25, $26. And I brought that one time, and since I'm allergic to everything, that irritated me. But if you're not allergic, pick that big bag up. It'll last you a long time. So let me see what else I have. I have a shower curtain here. And this was $4.99. I got dish detergent. I got the Gain Ultra original scent. Let's see how it smells. Because I usually end up with the apple smell. Let's see. I haven't seen this one. I just assumed this was the one, the apple. And this must be 99 cents because they don't have a tag on it. Ladies and gentlemen, if you can find that original scent, you pick it up, please. Smells good. Let me smell it again. That's a nice smell there. So I got 2 more dish detergents. I got the Brillo. I know my lips are big, y'all. I got Oxy Power Brillo Basics. And I have purchased this a lot of times. I do have my favorites, but I just got it, y'all. Let me see how it smells. It doesn't really smell all that. But the reason why I have gone back to the cheaper ones is because I love Dawn. I love it. It irritates my hands. You might have seen in some of my other videos that my hands was real messed up, and now they're starting to heal because I switched back to the cheap kind. I can't find a hypoallergenic one in my area. It's hard to find, and I have to ask my mother because she get it all the time in her area, or maybe I give her money to pick me up some. But here's another one, the Brillo Clean Lavender Brillo Basics. 5 times action. I don't know about all that, but this what it looks like, and it must have been 99 cents. And let me smell this. I like lavender smells. That smells so good. So good, so good. Definitely get this one, y'all. So that is it for my haul, my local dollar store haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will be coming back with some more videos. Love you all.